Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to convert BNB to USDT in MEXC. For that, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application, and after that, you just have to log into your account. Once done, you just have to select the BNB/USDT pay. In order to do this, you will have to tap on this search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you will have to search for BNB. Once done, you are able to find the BNB/USDT pair in the futures, but you will have to tap on the spot. Once you will have to tap on BNB/USDT in the spot, then you will be redirected on its chart where you are going to see two different options in the bottom. So as you want to convert your BNB to USDT, you need to tap on the sell option. After that, you will have to enter the amount of BNB in this section that you want to sell and that you want to convert into USDT. You can even use this slider and it will automatically take the BNB in your account and it will show you the equivalent USDT that you will get. Once done, you will have to press this sell button over here. And then your order will be placed and you will be able to successfully convert your BNB into USDT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions regarding to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.